morning. Thank you for tuning in to Your Come Up. Where in Your Come Up, we talk about topics that help with your come up, business, finance, personal, spiritual, whatever the case may be. Today, we're going to have a conversation with Big Mike, your boy Big Mike, to talk about personal branding. Good morning, Big Mike. How you doing today?
It's doing good. How about yourself, man? How about yourself?
Pretty good, man. Thank you. I want to thank you again for coming on. All right, so I just want to take a little time to introduce you. Let me know if I miss anything. You know, you're an R&B singer. You got over 400,000 followers on TikTok, close to 10,000 followers on Instagram. So you know a thing or two about building an online brand. And after listening to your music, being a father of 2 kids, if I was listening to your music during that time, I probably would have had one more kid. That's some baby making music.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much.
Mike, I want to ask you, for anyone who's watching, how would you suggest for one to build a personal brand on social media from scratch, or any tips that you can provide on building a personal brand?
For me, it didn't happen overnight, even though I know to some it may seem like, where did he come from?
Exactly.
I've been actually on social media for probably like 9-10 years, but probably these last few years, it started gradually growing, and I just started posting more content, you know, probably tagging a couple people, constantly sending it to people. And as I went to TikTok and it started growing on there, I just used that door that opened on TikTok to help grow my other social media. So I just basically started being myself. That's all. Then they just gravitated to it.
That's true. You know, when you just do you and be you, the right people come to you,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, correct. Very correct, man.
Yeah, the first video I saw of you was that Cane's chicken video. If I can upload it, I will in this video. That was the one that got me, man.
Oh my God, God took his time with raising all that sauce. That sauce.
You're right. That sauce.
Yeah.
God did take his time with making that chicken. So.
That bread, that toast, or something.
Once again, Big Mike, thank you again for coming in, and thank you again for watching for Your Come Up. Until next time, take care.
Thank you.